I'll guide you through how to block adult content on Android the easy way, without the problem of adult sites appearing in web searches or apps. If you're a parent looking to create a safer browsing experience for a child, or you want to set up parental controls on YouTube, and you want to block adult content on Android, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. This first method blocks adult websites across all browsers and apps on the device, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Samsung Internet. Open your Android phone's main settings. In the search bar, type Private DNS. Tap on Private DNS. By default, it might be set to off or automatic. Select the option for Private DNS Provider Hostname. In the text field, type adult-filter-dns.cleanbrowse.org and tap Save. This will automatically filter adult content. Let's see how to specifically filter adult content on YouTube with restricted mode. This is a crucial extra step, as the private DNS method will not filter content within the YouTube app. So, open the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then select General. Find Restricted Mode and toggle it to the On position. To prevent others from turning off the settings, you need to use the Google Family Link app. This locks the settings with your password, preventing your child from disabling them from their own phone. On your phone, install and open the Family Link app. Select your child's name from the list. If this is your first time using the app, you will need to create a family group, and your child will have to approve supervision from their device. Go to Controls, then tap on Content Restrictions, or YouTube. You can then turn on Restricted Mode for their account. Once set, your child will not be able to turn this off on any of their devices. By this, you have successfully blocked adult content on Android. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.